In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam purchase error. Let's walk through this calmly and methodically so you can complete your purchase without getting stuck. Start by signing into your Steam account and opening your account details. From there, check your purchase history. You're looking for anything marked as pending, failed, or cancelled, along with any error messages. If you see a pending transaction, avoid retrying repeatedly right away, as that can trigger temporary blocks. Next, double-check your payment method details. Make sure the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address are all correct and match what your bank has on file. Even a small typo or an outdated address can cause an instant decline. If everything looks good but it still fails, try a different payment option. Switching to PayPal, Google Pay, UPI if you're in India, or another card can often bypass a finicky gateway. It's also a good idea to clear Steam's built-in browser data. In the Steam client, go to Settings, then Web Browser, and delete the web browser cache and cookies. Fully restart Steam afterward to apply the change. Before trying again, confirm your internet is stable. If your connection is dropping, fix that first. Then check the Steam server status on the Steam stats page. If there's an outage or elevated load, the easiest fix is simply to wait until services are normal. Now, verify that your Steam account region matches the country of your payment method. Region mismatches and VPNs are common causes of checkout errors, so disable any VPN and ensure your store region is correct. If things still aren't working, try changing your download region in Settings under Downloads. Pick a nearby or alternative region to reduce server latency that can interfere with checkout. Using Steam Beta? Opt out temporarily to avoid client-side glitches. Go to Settings, Account, Beta Participation, choose Change, and set it to None, then restart. You can also try making the purchase from the Steam website instead of the desktop client. Sometimes the web checkout behaves differently and succeeds where the client fails. If you've had multiple failed attempts, give it 30 to 60 minutes before trying again. Steam may temporarily block transactions for security, and a short cooldown usually clears it. And if none of these steps resolve the error, submit a ticket to Steam support with a brief description of what you've tried and the exact error you're seeing. They can check your account on the back end and guide you further. Thanks for watching.